Shoot, this is empty. Good water. Hi again. I got a haircut.
If you don't know how to braid, hit that follow button. Let's go. Shake 'em, shake 'em.
I did get a haircut. Now in this video, I'm gonna be sampling my sneeze, like a chew. You know, the last one I did a lemon. It did very well. The video has a lot of views. So today I thought I'm gonna sample a sneeze. I'm just gonna throw it in there, and then you guys can watch me do that because I don't know why. Like, go do something else with it. Don't, because I need views and subscribers. Okay, so today we have a variety of sneeze-inducing items with us today. Item number 1 is a duster. I'm gonna collect some dust and then put it in my face. Next, toothpaste, because for some reason mint makes me sneeze. I don't know if I'm the only one who's like that. We also have a light that I'm using for the video, but I'm gonna put it in my face if I need to. And then fan. Yeah, so let's get into it. So listen, I didn't want to bore you, but I made the beat already, and I know you're just here for the sneeze, so I took the liberty of just doing this real quick. I mean, I can just play each part of it. Hi-hat. The loop is fire. So that's what we're going to be working with today. I don't know what I'm thinking. So I'm just going to record myself sneezing. Hopefully I can. I don't know if I'll be able to. We'll see. I did it. Oh, it worked, but at what cost? Alright, I'm going to change clips now. Okay, so now that I got the sneeze in, how am I going to incorporate it? I'm just going to lock in right now. I'm not going to talk much, so yeah. Okay, so that took a long time, but I made it sound like a cool sound effect, but not like a sneeze, you know? Still kind of sounds like a sneeze. When you put it together, it sounds like this.
I can't remember if I tried, and I tried, I guess I might cry, I'm a mess. I need God in my life, cause my heart's in my chest.